Here we are back with Tales with Truman at Lake Gimmeone, and it's a perfectly miserable day. It's raining. We need some good blue skies around here. Truman was down in this hole yesterday. I don't know what he thought he was going to find, but it was nothing. Now he's sort of... Let's find a ball, Truman. Come on. It's about time for us to have some good weather around here. Then we can get out on the links and hit some golf balls. So today has been a above average day with about 16 balls. I've gotten a little picky this year, so they're good balls. Balls you'd be proud to play with. Anyway, Truman's nose to the ground, looking for a ball. Invariably, he'll find one. I'm just waiting for him to go in the water, feel around with his feet for one, and then dive for it. I've seen dogs do that. Truman's not one of them, but maybe. Hope springs eternal. Anyway, it's really pretty gusty out here. Oh, there's some ducks on the pond over there. Let's go see if Truman can do with those ducks. I think he thinks ducks and birds are kind of fun, but he's not a bird dog. I know. But maybe I'll take him out for fall for some grouse. We'll see what happens. I doubt he can. I'm sure he can flush stuff, but he doesn't know what to do with them. And he doesn't have a soft mouth, so that wouldn't fare well. Okay, he's on the scent. He's on the scent. Hey, Troop. Come on, buddy. There are a lot of balls here because I hit them over here. And I can never find them. No, Truman, up here. Don't go in the water. Don't drink that stuff. It's full of chemicals, I'm sure. Come on. Oh, I'm sorry. We're a green golf course. There won't be any chemicals. Come on, Truman. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you rascal. See the ducks? Truman, see the ducks? Truman, see the ducks? I'm afraid that's a no. I don't see the ducks. Anyway, that's all I've got from here because I'm getting soaked. And I think it's time to... I'm sorry, but there's a ball. That's all I got from here. Bye.